What's up, YouTubers? It's your boy Big Russ here, back with another video, another review. And today I'm going to do a review on Liquid Death. Liquid Death Mango Chainsaw. Ooh. Mango Chainsaw. And I finally found my fucking reading glasses. I keep forgetting. Stop cussing. I have a habit of cussing, if you notice that. It says, this ruthless tall boy of flavor sparkling water is armed with agave nectar and natural electrolytes to refresh your body and murder that crunching thirst. Oh, murder that thirst. Murder, bitch! I'm gonna murder you, But anyways, so it has 20 calories. 20 calories. It has the carbs, 3 grams of carbs. Total carbs is 3 grams. Total sugars, 3 grams. So it has sugar in it. And calcium. The calcium is 40 grams. Not significant, whatever, bullshit with it. So, yeah. So the ingredients it's carbonated water, carbonated mountain spring water. Let's get that shit straight. It's spring water. Agave nectar, which comes from the agave plant, and it's like a tequila-looking type plant. Well, it's tequila plant. But anyways, you know what? Check this out. Death, liquid death. So I'm gonna crack this open. I never tried it. I bought it today. So, man, that smells good. Just like you can taste the mango in it. So, mango, hold on. I'm gonna get my trusty glass and pour me some, see what color it is. Sparkling water. Sparkly, sparkly. Bubbly. It's pretty good. I mean, I like it. There's certain things that I would tell you if I don't like and I do like, but the majority of stuff that I do get, I end up liking it, you know. Oh yeah, pretty good. No, I don't know if anybody's ever tried the regular white can of Liquid Death. I love that water. That water, you can actually still taste the water after drinking it. You know what I'm saying? So it's really good. I give this 2 thumbs up. Yeah. 2 thumbs up I give. Really good water. Yeah. So if you have a chance, you can order it. You can order online, but I got a local grocery store here. Yeah. They had another one. It was I bought four, two of each. Two of this one and I bought two of the black cans. So it's a regular sparkling. I keep looking over here, but I gotta look over here. It's the regular sparkling water. I guess they came out the new one. It's lime. I want to try that one. Yeah. Oh yeah. So, anywho's, go ahead and pick up a can of Liquid Death. Enjoy it. Let's do a, what do you call it? A thumbnail. Whatever it turns out to be. That's one post up there. Peace out, and see you in the next video.